Thank you for choosing Bill Howe Plumbing for your drain maintenance needs. Drain clogs happen for a variety of reasons, such as foreign objects in the line, buildup of soap, oil, and other substances over time, tree root intrusion, and a whole lot more. Now that we've been out and cleared your line, we want to give you some simple information to keep your drains flowing. Your warranty covers you for 30 days. If your drain backs up again, call us. We'll fix the problem free of charge if we didn't clear the line properly the first time. There are some exceptions. Refer your drain warranty paperwork or give us a call if you have any questions. Enjoy your free flowing drains, courtesy of our experts and your friends at Bill Howe.